Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng steamed eggplant. So of course, ang ating kailangan ay eggplant. Yan yung main ingredients natin. And ayan, iwain lang natin po yan at ilagay sa tubig. We're going to soak it. I-steam po natin to sa 10 minutes lamang. And then there you go. We need here spring onion. Slice it. And then we need also cilantro. Not too much. Need also garlic and 1 piece of chili. So, ayan yung sizzling oil sa I use seafood seasoned soy sauce in here, but if you don't have, you can use light sauce and add a little bit of sugar and mixed it, and that's it. And then we're gonna pour it on our steamed eggplant, and there you go. And have a garnish of cilantro and spring onion, and yeah, so simple recipe. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.